Well, good afternoon, everybody. Today is Monday, and it's about 5:20, and I'm just checking in over here. I finished grading the Deming assignments from last week. Again, good job. I know some of you are still turning stuff in late, so just keep in mind you're losing every day. You're losing points, so just be mindful of those missed assignments and get them done ASAP. So we had yesterday psychographic discussions. I'll wait a couple more days before I grade those. I know some of you are still working on them, but again, they're due. That was due today. That's due Monday, today the 10th, and that's the first one for the marketing assignment. The second one is the influencer, right, and product placements and ethics. So that will be in 2 days. So that's going to be Wednesday. And after that, you'll have your quizzes as usual. Um, One very important thing I want to make sure by now, we have 3 weeks left, right? So next week, you'll have 2 weeks left. And then, I mean, everything is going to happen very, very quickly. You should have a really good idea and a skeleton so far and a foundation of your project, your stock project. So if you haven't started, time to worry, time to start. Um, I really hope that you're all scheduling with Kelsey. I know some of you have met with her more than once, and I've heard very, very positive things from students who've gotten help from her with the project. So, what happens to students who wait until the last minute and don't check in with her, with Kelsey, is they're going to be confused. They're going to have a bunch of questions that they should have asked the first couple weeks, and they're going to be super frustrated, and nobody's going to be available because everybody waited until the last minute. I hope I'm not sounding like a drag. I just want to make sure you guys know if you haven't done it, do it now, right? This week, get cracking. Make sure you connect with Kelsey. If you haven't done anything, just be honest. Tell her. We had one student who didn't even pick stocks, and so met with Kelsey recently, picked the stocks, and now the student is on their way. So nobody's judging you. Just get it done now. Don't wait until the last minute. You have to trust me on this. Last semester, the students who waited until the last minute just chose not to complete the project when they realized how much work it was at the last minute. And that's fine too. Remember that that project is worth a whole letter grade. It's 100 points. So if, let's say, a student's getting a B in the class and they don't do the project, they'll get a C in the class. If they're getting an A and they don't want to do project, they'll get a B. So that's just kind of how it works. All right, that's it. Just wanted to check in, let you know all that stuff. Have a productive week. I hope you have a lot of fun with the marketing chapters. And let's see. Yes. Iman, thanks for reminding me. So, question of the day. Let's see. Question of the day. What do we want the question of the day to be? Let's go with. I'm running out of ideas. So much for creativity. Um, we talked about food. We talked about traveling. Okay, I got one. How about this one? There's lots of talk of electric cars, right? It's all over the news every day. New companies coming out with electric cars. China producing more electric cars than anybody else now. All that stuff. So you have to buy a new car, let's pretend. And let's pretend you have some cash. Do you want to buy an electric car or a combustion engine car? Or maybe not. Maybe you want to buy diesel. Maybe you want to buy hydrogen, whatever. So, how about this? What kind of car would you want to buy and why? And why not? If you didn't want an electric car, why not? How about that? Do that. All right. Looking forward to hearing your answers.